Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is something went wrong. The error code is 0x80070490. So if you're receiving this error message while adding your email account to your mail or calendar app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update mail and calendar app. For this, open Microsoft Store and then on the top right here you can see the search option, and in the search box go ahead and type in mail and calendar app and then click on mail and calendar app, and over here you will see the update option. So if there is any pending update over here, you will see the update option, so click on update, and once the update is installed you can go ahead and try to add the email account to your mail or calendar app. And also go to three dots on the top right. Here you can see the three dots, click on it, then click on settings and make sure update apps automatically is on. If this is off, you can go ahead and turn it on so that you can get the automatic update for your app. And you can also update Microsoft Store from here. So on the top right, click on the three dots once again, then click on download and updates, and then click on get updates, and this will go ahead and update all your application, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset mail and calendar app. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on apps. In the search you can go ahead and type in mail and then click on mail and calendar app and then click on advanced options. Scroll down. Over here you can see the reset option. So here you can see it's written, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So click on reset, and once the reset is done, you can go ahead and try to add the email account to your mail application. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall mail and calendar app. For this, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Then open Windows PowerShell. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. So click on Windows PowerShell admin, then click on yes to allow and paste the command over here. Now hit the enter key on the keyboard, and this will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Mail app or calendar app from your computer. Now after this, you can go ahead and reinstall it using this link. So open this link in a browser, then click on mail and calendar app. So click on get, then it will prompt you to open Microsoft Store, and from Microsoft Store you can go ahead and click on install. You can also open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and then in the search box here you can go ahead and type in mail and calendar app and then click on mail and calendar app, and from here you can go ahead and try to install it on your computer. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. So click on it. Now over here you will see accept option. So click on accept. And by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next. Now it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. This is checked by default. Do not make any changes. Make sure this is checked and then click on install. And after the installation, you can log into your computer and then open mail app and then try to add your account. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.